Welcome back to Medical. Today I am going to discuss with you Coufatex tablets, the user side effects, interactions, contraindications, and medicinal uses and direction to use. I am going to tell you in this video, friends. Let's start with the uses and indications of these medications. What is Warfarin means? Warfarin is a drug which is particularly used for the problems or anticoagulant. It is an anticoagulant agent which is a vitamin K antagonist, and it also is useful for the thinning your blood, friends. Those people's the blood content gets thick means the doctors will recommend to make thin your blood, means this warfarin is more useful for that. With prescription and with doctor suggestion only you have to take. Overdose and also may cause your side effects and also leads to toxicity. I will discuss you in the further video, friends, these whole uses. So this is works on the recurrent the problems overall, having the recurrent myocardial infarction as well as strokes, and prophylaxis treatment for the thromboembolic disorder, friends. And it also the embolic complications and atrial fibrillation also it works, and problems overall having the plaque issue on their heart and then any blockage, that also may helpful in that, friends. So this warfarin mechanism of action, mode of action, I am going to tell you. This warfarin is the vitamin K antagonist, and warfarin competitively inhibits the subunit 1 of the multi-unit VKOR complex, thus depleting the functional vitamin K reserves and reducing the synthesis of active clotting factor. So this is the major mechanism of action and direction use I have tell you. Now I am going to start with the adverse drug reaction of these medications. If you are taking too long and too much without doctor suggestion, self medications, and also may leads to harm your health. So the side effects which are related to Coufatex, which is the hematologic, major hemorrhage may leads to problem, and moreover may cause the chillness and more shivering, and then may cause the purple toe syndrome. Purple toe syndrome means the toe should be the purple like, and also the abdominal pain may also cause, and dysgeusia, your taste may changes, alopecia may also come, urticaria, and then minor hemorrhage, and then hepatitis, acute renal failure, and those people having the necrosis on their skin and skin damage may also cause. The people should not take and may also cause the interactions. Those who are having the any type of disease with their history means they have to definitely discuss with their doctor before taking these, friends. The interactions should be azathioprine, and then barbiturates, and then sesquiterans, and bosentan, cloxacillin, and carbamazepine, and then antiviral drugs, and dicloxacillin and efavirenz. This type of medications overall taking means in their history they have to consult with the doctor before taking this. They have to tell the openly with them, with the pharmacist, and as well as with the doctor, friends, because contraindications and interactions may lead to cause you severe toxicity and may also cause some different effect on your body. So contraindicated person who should not take this medication means those people who having the hypersensitivity, and then hemorrhagic problems, and GI distress, GI respiratory problem, and then CNS, and then malignant hypertension, and who are all having the eclampsia and the pre-eclampsia, abortion, pregnancy means they should avoid. Before taking this they have to consult their physician, friends. This is the major uses and side effects I have discussed you. Now I am going to tell you the description of the how to use and direction to use of this medication. As per the doctor physician recommendation only you have to take. Before taking have to consult the pharmacist and take the, and you have to read the full description and patient information leaflet mentioned in this bottle, friends. So 1 tablet a day it's doctor recommending. As per the doctor suggestion, how much the dose they are recommending, that much only you have to take. More than that if you are taking means it may lead to side effects, and make the precautions yourself, friends. Thank you. I'll come back with new video. Till that, keep supporting us, our channel, and it's manufactured by the one of the famous pharmaceuticals, Apotex, and made in Canada. It comes with the 100 tablets. This is the package, and outside the leaflet itself having you have to tear the leaflet, and you will get the full patient information leaflet inside, friends. This is the patient information leaflet. what is Coufatex, before taking, how to take, side effects, everything is mentioned in this patient information leaflet. You will get the full description in that. If you having any doubts, clarification, just leave the message. I'll back on that. Thank you.